So you want to export your Zoho Projects data. Make your data migration smooth and painless with Relokia. It's an automated online service that helps you to export your Zoho Projects data. Here is how to export your Zoho Projects data. First, select Zoho Projects as your source platform and sign in with your account. In such a way, you grant our app certain permissions to migrate your data. Configure your Zoho Projects connection by selecting Portals and Projects. Next, you need to choose your target project management platform and fill in the access credentials. Then configure your target connection as well. Moving forward, you need to specify what data you'd like to export. You can choose separate records or all at once. First, match user profiles. Right after you click on the box next to Items, you will see a pop-up where you need to set up the mapping of task fields. Once that's done, hit the Save button to apply your settings. Then map subtasks fields. Once the basic setup is done, run your demo migration to check if the data migrates correctly. When you're ready, hit that Final button and get all your data moving. Just like that, you can export such Zoho Projects data as tasks along with comments, attachments, custom fields, tags, task lists, users, and subtasks. Ready to export? Click Visit a website and try a free demo.